Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, look, man, we're going to do a real, as quick as you can do on the DeFi, but we're going to do a quick part 2 to the Tectonic video. I got you to Tectonic yesterday with some CRO in the wallet, but I didn't complete the transaction. I got some emails, got a couple comments. They said, please complete the transaction, so I'm going to complete the transaction. Now, look, I have no moral judgment whatsoever on Tectonic. All right, if it's your thing, it's your thing, and I get it. This thing has about 11 trillion that are in circulation with a max supply of 500 trillion. Now, I don't get hung up on max supplies because it all depends on their inflationary rate, their burn rate, lots of other things that go into it. So I never really get hung up on it. But I do understand why they're doing it and why they're pricing it, because it makes it appealing. It makes it memeish. Now, I have yet to find the use for Tectonic. It's a byproduct, and it's maybe someday, but right now they don't. So because it has no particular use, I'm not particularly interested in it. However, it is free to acquire if you actually want to use Tectonic for what it is for, which is a lending borrowing platform. So we're just going to go that direction, and I'm going to take you to from Cosmos over to Tectonic. The reason that that'll work is because it's built on Cronos. Now, most people will never leave the central exchanges. All right, if they're buying this on Crypto.com, buying up all the Tectonic, they're going to stay right there. They're not moving. They're comfortable. This is what they want. Wait for the moon. Wait for the Lambo. For the folks who are actually moving into the DeFi, you are the top 10% of crypto investors, by the way, are the people who are coming to the DeFi, taking advantage of it. So we're going to do this step by step, and you're going to see what I see. All right, so that you can see it at the same speed I see it, because as soon as people start leaving central exchanges, they get nervous. They get scared. Where's my money? I don't want to make the transfer. I don't know if I can trust it. And yeah. So I just thought I'll show you. You know what? We'll do it with my money, and that way, if something goes wrong, it's all my money. Anyway, look, here's the third monitor. Now, this is the second time I shot this video because I forgot to make one of my transfers. But if we come over here, I took some of my secret. And honestly, if you really want to put some money to work, come over to the Cosmos. But I took one of my secrets. I transferred it right over here to Osmosis. This is app.osmosis.zone. You know what? We'll go ahead and make the trade so you can see it. I still got a couple bucks left of secret. So if we're going to come over here, and we're going to swap some secret dust that we have, and we're going to turn it into CRO. And keep in mind, this is the Cosmos version of CRO. This is not. This isn't .com CRO. So we're going to swap 0.39, and we're going to get 5 CRO. We'll go ahead and make the swap. We're going to pay the insanely high gas fee of 0, and off it goes. This is the problem with doing this live as a single shot and not editing the video, is that you have to listen to me babble while I'm waiting for DeFi transactions to take place. So you saw that we were actually broadcasting the transaction, and now we're going to wait for it to show up. Right now we have no CRO in there, and let's see. It should be popping in, and there you go. So now we got an extra couple bucks worth of CRO. We're going to go ahead and withdraw it. Now this connects directly to your KEPLR wallet. Don't fear. If you don't have a KEPLR wallet, get a KEPLR wallet and play around with this. We're going to withdraw all of it. And we can do that here because we are on Osmosis and the gas is effectively free. So we're going to take 5.3 CRO and we're going to move it from here out to our KEPLR wallet. Now, once we get it here, this is where it gets just a little bit trickier because I don't want to go via KEPLR. I want to go via my CRO wallet. So if we come back over here to KEPLR, as soon as that thing refreshes, we'll go down to crypto.org, and you see that we have an extra 5 CRO in here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to send this over to our crypto.com wallet extension, and we're sending it right here to the crypto.org because that's what we're doing. If you look, see how that says CRO right there on top? That means it's Cronos extension. So we're going to copy that address. We're going to come back here to KEPLR. We're going to go to our crypto.org wallet, and we're going to send it. We're going to send it to that wallet that we just put in. If you go all the way over here, you see where it says CRO. How much do we have here? I'll tell you what, we'll send, I don't even know what I got. We'll send 10. The cost is less than a penny. We'll pay it, and we're going to approve that transaction. And very soon here, you're going to see 10 Crow disappear. So there you go. So right now, your Crow is going from one wallet to the other wallet. And if we come over here to crypto.com wallet extension, we had 2.29, and oh, look, now we have 12.99. Or I'm sorry, we had 2.99, now we have 12. So the 10 left KEPLR, and it went over to our Crow wallet. Now we need the Crow wallet because our next step is the Cronos bridge. So incorrect wallet type, you bet it is. So we're actually going to our crypto.org wallet, and it will ask you for approval, and we're going to go ahead and approve it. So now we're going to pick which asset we want to use. In this case, crypto.com coin. We're going to go ahead and confirm it. It's going to fetch our balance, and I got a hunch it's going to say about 12-ish, 0.999, so forth. So as soon as that comes up, and again, we're doing it live. We're not editing, so you guys see what I see at the speed that I see it. I would have preferred to do this another way, but anytime I edit something when I'm transferring money, I always get a lot of hits. Say, well, what happened? How do you know? You know, what happened when we couldn't see it? So as you can see there, we got 12.99. If we go back over here to our wallet, our crypto.org wallet, as soon as that loads, and by the way, it's pinging too, you see that we have the same balance. So what we're going to be doing now is transferring it from crypto.org over to Cronos because we need it in Cronos. And we'll just go ahead and transfer 10 of them. There are no network fees. It's waived. So we're going to go ahead and transfer those assets. We're going to confirm it. And this is now going from crypto.org over to the Cronos wallet. Now that's my wallet. It automatically, that wallet right there is where it's going. So as the OX, you see what the Ethereum, what extension now is going to happen on this. So I have to, this is kind of the problem when you're dealing with Crow, is that everything is 2FA. So after you do it here, you have to do it here. And then sometimes it'll populate and it'll say confirm the transaction, and sometimes it won't. So as you can see it right there, it wants me to confirm the transaction, so I will confirm the transaction. I know you can't see it. I didn't big frame it, but you know what? You get what you get. So we've confirmed the transaction, and now, as you see, we're just waiting for this thing to finish up its run, and I get to continue to babble and talk while we're doing it. So the deposit is the deposit of 10 Crow. You can see it's spinning up. Right now, this is the Cronos bridge. And again, we are converting this from .org to Ethereum Crow. Waiting for a deposit to go through. And as soon as that comes up, then we're going to carry on to Tectonic. Again, not hiding anything, guys. You're seeing what I'm seeing at the speed that I'm seeing it. And fortunately, this is YouTube. So if anybody wants to do precisely what I'm doing, this is how you do it, man. Just back it up, and you're going to find out. Considering the gas fees that you're saving right now, and I understand it's kind of a pain waiting 5, 10, 15 seconds, but considering that you're not paying any gas for it, you know what? It's a gift. So transfer is completed, so we're going to go ahead and close that out. Now we're done with this portion of it right here. So now we're going to come back. Now we're going to go over here to Tectonic. This is what you're actually investing in. Now, we want it to switch network, yes, because I want it to be on the Cronos bridge of the crypto.com wallet. So this is coming up. Now, this is another part that's kind of a pain with the 2FA and trying to make a video out of it, is that I have to do this twice, and you get to wait twice. So that's fun. And let's make sure that this thing is actually, there we go. This is what I love about shooting a live video in a single run. Yes, take my wallet, please. Again, guys, I'm doing this so you see what I see, so that nobody panics when something comes up or when something goes wrong. And it's going to continue to ping me on this, and it connect wallet. It'll get there. Just a second. Yes. There we go. So our wallet is connected right now. Now that's our Cronos wallet. If you want to back it up, you're going to see that that's last 4 digits are the same 4 digits that you saw on mine. So we have this wallet up here. That's actually Tectonic that I'm accumulating. But I want to show you how I'm accumulating it. And I understand it's a small amount, man. It's not the point. The point is that this is what it's actually for. So as soon as this loads up, and I'm going to have to do this twice, and it sucks, and I'm sorry. But you see our wallet balance of 11.166 CRO. That is the 10 CRO that we transferred over. So we're going to go ahead and supply liquidity. This is what we're doing. This is everything that this is up and this is about. We're going to go ahead and stick 9 in there. Now, after I do this, it's going to prompt me to do it on my DeFi app. It may confirm, it may not. If not, I get to do this twice. And right there, proceed on the DeFi app. So we're going to go over here to the DeFi app. And I'll tell you what, I'll make the big frame for it to see if it confirms or not. So we're going over here to the DeFi app. We're going to see if this thing will actually prompt me. And, oh, look, it did. So we're going to confirm the transaction. And as soon as that comes through, we'll go back to third monitor. So we're in a pending state right now. And the transaction is broadcasting. Now, the kicker with this, and the transaction is confirmed. So let's go ahead and X out. And as you can see, now our supply is our increased by 9 CRO from where we were a minute ago. Now, here's what you're actually doing with this. So with the CRO that you have in there that you just put in, and you can see they even tell you what you're getting, you're earning 3-ish%. Now, I personally consider 3% just absolutely insulting in the DeFi. That is a miserable APR. I'm going to show you what a good APR is here briefly, but this is just a flat-out miserable APR. However, because of that APR, you're going to watch, that's the Tectonic that you're earning. So we're going to watch that number go up, 85.41, and in a few seconds it's going to go up again. I understand it's a small amount. It's a trace amount. But again, this is a byproduct product, 85.82. Now this is going to tick 24/7, 365. That number is going to continue to go up, up, up. So you are earning 3.5% on the CRO that you have in there, as well as collecting the Tectonic byproduct. So this is your money going to work for you. This is it 24/7, 365. You want that number to go up faster? Put more CRO in. You are providing liquidity. You're the bank. This is what it's for. And I get it, man. It's not as sexy as buying 15 million or $1.5 billion Tectonic and hoping it goes up. I understand that. That's not as sexy. But this is what it's for. This is what it's designed to do. If you want to play in the DeFi, support the DeFi, you become the bank in the DeFi. Now, I did mention that I consider this an absolutely miserable APR, and I do, even though, you know, I like CRO. I like the token. I'm not going to make a CRO billionaire video. That's not my thing. But I like the coin. You see that there's some good use case for it. You can put this one to work. I like anything that you can put to work. And we continue to acquire Tectonic. That's yours, by the way. You can claim that anytime you want. Click it, claim it, boom, you're off and running. But I spend most of my time over here on Osmosis and over in the Cosmos network. And the reason that I do that is if we take a look at a little bit. So you could literally stake your Cosmos CRO right here for 15%. And honestly, man, on Cosmos, that's it's not really good. You can put up your Osmosis at 88%. Just put it in, stake it, and you're earning 88% on it. You can come right over here in Juno. That happens to be my flavor of the month. If you put your Juno up to work for you, you're getting 118%, 0.18. If you want to play over here in liquidity pools, and I don't know why I get so much heat whenever I talk about liquidity pools, but I'm a big fan. And the reason that I'm a big fan is because you're staking two just absolutely major tokens at 89.28%. You're staking UST and Osmo at 117.18% APR. You're getting CMDX Osmo at 137%. These are not even the best ones. So look, anyway, what I'm getting at is there are an awful lot of ways to earn, and if you put your money to work, you are insulating yourselves from these radical crypto swings that we get all the time. And I think it's a good idea to do it. There's hopeful money. That's buying, holding, and hoping. Or there is smart money. And smart money is the money that is earning for you 24/7, 365. It passes no moral judgments. Its whole job is to earn for you. So I'm a big fan of that. And I just illustrated and showed you several good ways to do it. But anyway, for the Tectonic folks that just want to know how to farm it, that is precisely step-by-step how you farm it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, right there, scott@ThePodocasts.com. And until next time, guys, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, and we will talk to you later.